Hello, welcome to the weather update. You can see we did break out some sunshine this afternoon. Very warm and still warm out there right now. Temperatures are still in the upper 50s. Looks like a little bit of a sea breeze tried to get going on the South Shore, but it was very weak. You can see the temperatures there. We'll just pull this out a little bit here. Get an idea what the temperatures are. Um, for the load, of course. We'll come back to that later. Let's look at the radar, and you'll see here we did have a couple of sprinkles, actually. So we have a couple of light showers that are around right now. We're going to see more of that rain breaking out later. We also had record highs. So let's see if this is still... Nope, still not working. Let's go to the latest wind reports here from the Weather Service. And these are the wind reports here that we have for you. Wind gusts, not as bad as we feared. The worst of it was out east in Suffolk County. Great Gull Island is 48 miles an hour. But nothing really terrible here. No 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We didn't see too many power outages as a result, not too much damage. Rainfall, on the other hand, you could see parts of Connecticut got quite a bit there, upwards of 2 inches. And you can see, yeah, Connecticut there, New Haven County, 1.7, 2 inches there. You got that. And yeah, so Connecticut got hit hard. Bergen County, also some of the higher amounts there. Essex, Hudson County, Passaic. Just scrolling through this quickly here. As well as the city, too. Also got over an inch of rain as well, a lot of areas. Nassau County also, some areas in Nassau saw over an inch, as well as the Hudson Valley, Orange County, Putnam, Queens, and Suffolk County. Is mostly western Suffolk County that saw the higher amounts. Further out east you go, not as much, more like a half an inch. And then when you get to the east end, it's even less than that. Let's now go, and hopefully this map will have loaded. All right, here we go. So it's partially loaded, but it's good enough. 55 degrees right now at Islip. We'll show you what the day was like, and you will see here that was very warm again. We set another record high. We set it as of this morning, actually. We'll look at the weather service in a moment here. You can see 70 around most of the day, and dew points in the low 50s. So not that dry. Still a very very like early September-like feel today. Just like completely not normal at all for the day, and just really very, very much above normal. So let's go look at our highs for the day, and you will see how warm it got, and you will see everybody got into the low 70s today, pretty much. Long Island, New Jersey, 72. That's a new record high for the day. Let's go back to the weather service now, because we do have some record reports here to look at. Here, 3 of the 5 records broken earlier continue to see their updated records. So this is what we have from the Weather Service right now. Record set at Bridgeport, Islip, and JFK, 72. So yeah, that's for the day. So yeah, another just crazy warm day. We've already broken. This was as of 8:30 a.m. You can see they already broke the records already. Newark also 74, tied at record high. So yeah, 69 tied at LaGuardia, and I'm pretty sure that probably was broken as well. So yeah, a lot of records broken again with the warmth today. No surprise. So let's take a look at the models now, and we'll just go through the rest of your weekend here. I'm not going to talk too much in this weather update here. I'm going to go too far. I'll just talk about the rest of the weekend into Monday here. And we are going to see some rain with a secondary cold front and a little wave of low pressure. That's going to happen early this morning. So figure early Sunday morning, anytime before 10 o'clock. Probably going to see some rain showers, maybe a little longer on the east end there. And then that will move out, and then we'll have sun and clouds and turning much colder for the rest of the day. As far as Monday goes, should be a mostly sunny day and chilly. So looking at the dew points here, we'll show you exactly what's going to happen. So you'll see here the change in the air mass here as we head into, it's still very warm out right now, so still very mild out. That's why the air conditioner is still going here, especially here. You'll see here as we get into your later part of Sunday, northwest winds take over, dew points drop, and we'll see that dry, cold air come in here. Here we are, dew points below freezing in the 20s for your Monday with a nice northwest breeze, and the temperatures will be a lot colder as well. So if we look at your day tomorrow, you'll see we start off in the 50s early, and then as we get later in the day, we're probably going to start going to the 40s tomorrow night. We're down near freezing, lows 30 in the mid 30s by Monday morning on a northwest wind, and then for your Monday, we're going to only be in the mid-40s. So it's going to be a lot, mid to upper 40s. It's going to be a lot colder. This model especially looks a lot colder. So let's look at your skies here. I'll just go over we'll just use the RGM for the skies here to show you. So tomorrow, obviously, we're going to have clouds in the morning. Then the sun will try to come out in the afternoon. We'll still have some passing clouds probably. But we should see some sunshine late in the afternoon, probably after like 1 or 2 o'clock, mixed in with some clouds. And then for Monday, we should be mostly sunny. And then this goes a little further into Tuesday here, and we should have some sunshine early on Tuesday, and then the clouds kind of thicken by toward later in the morning. So I think that's going to wrap up the weather update. Not going to be a long one tonight. Usually Saturday night I keep it brief unless something major is going on, but we'll have a longer weather update for you tomorrow night as we get ready for some more typical weather for November with cold weather definitely going to be with us now. Have a good night.